Hi there, everybody. Guess what we're doing today at Superhero Kids?
Slime!
Slime. You can't be a superhero without slime.
But sadly, we don't have a lot of slime, so we can't make a lot of it. Now you might think that this is for complex ingredients, but no, starters. Okay, so all you need is a bowl, cornstarch,
Mixing spoon. Measuring
food
cups.
A food coloring, and
Water.
a faucet. Yes, water. So, first, we take about a cup of cornstarch. Now, we don't have that much, but we're just going to use the rest of it. Okay, guys? So,
Ooh, let's keep the video on. Look at that. Look at that nice cornstarch, everybody. Yep, sweep it into there. That's what you want to do. Nothing wasted, just like the Native Americans. Here we go. Come on. Hey.
okay, that's good enough.
No, there's something right here.
Oh.
Ah.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
How many superheroes used slime, by the way? Because I thought all of our videos were superhero related.
Whatever. Okay, so now that we did our cornstarch, we take it over to the faucet and we put about half as much. Dang it.
Maybe it'll work. Put a little bit of extra in it so you're dumping it out.
The sink wasn't working right. We need to get new batteries for it. Slow on energy. That's probably enough. Okay. Step it, Lincoln. Get out of here. Okay. So, after that, we take our mixture, and we don't want to put in food coloring because we think that it would be good without it, so it looks clear. But just start to mix all that water in with it. Once it starts to get pretty hard, it'll be slime, but mine isn't getting hard because I put in too much water, but you get the point, right? So next time you do this, remember to not put in too much water.
What does it taste like?
Oh no. Should I try it?
Well, you're a superhero, so it can't hurt you.
Okay. I'm not doing it, but next time you do this, just to remember, not put so much water. So, see ya! Say goodbye, Nathaniel!
Bye, guys. Keep rocking and rock out.
Hit him with an Illuminati sign!
Yeah!
Okay.